Divine Collective. There's someone here who wanted your intuition to be blocked. They wanted you disconnected from source. This failed, okay? This is possibly someone who works in the medical field. Spirit is telling me I'm getting the medical field. Whoever this person is, they have access to medications. That is of great significance. They work in the medical field and they have access to medications. Spirit says they were laughing a lot, okay? Laughing, thinking something was funny when it was not funny at all. Karma is here. I'm hearing. This is a spiritual situation. Spirit says now they feel like crap. Whoever this is, they feel like crap, Spirit says. Because they are heartbroken, because they know they betrayed you, Divine Collective. This is a friend of yours, possibly a mutual friend between you and someone else, playing both sides, Spirit is telling me. So a mutual friend with you and someone else that was once close to you, I don't feel like you're close to this person any longer, was playing both sides. This person was your friend and they were this other person's friend. They work in the medical field and they have access to medications. That's what Spirit is telling me. They feel like crap about something that they did to you. Gossiping. Spirit said that this gossip led someone to discovering you ultimately. Okay? Someone's heart is being weighed. Anubis is here. Anubis just stepped into the reading. I'm speaking to someone who may walk very closely with Anubis here, or Anubis walks very closely with you. You may have a contract here with Anubis. Whatever the case may be, this person that works in the medical field, this mutual friend of you and someone else, Divine Collective, their heart is being weighed by Anubis here because of what they've done to you. Spirit is saying be so busy improving yourself, Divine Collective, that you don't have time to pay attention to anyone or anything that distracts you from your growth, okay? All right? They knew not to do this to you, Spirit is telling me. That's the overall feeling that I'm getting. It's hard to feel bad for someone that knew what they were doing all along, Divine Collective. They went against their higher self, Spirit is telling me. Okay? This person is finding out the hard way who you are in the spiritual realm, Divine Collective. They're finding out the hard way. Spirit said they didn't have to find out this way. Refine your attention, redirect, pay attention to something here, Divine Collective, something about redirecting your attention, refining your attention. Spirit says it's clear that their plan isn't working. I do feel like there's two people here teamed up together. There's an ex of yours, Divine Collective, that you have created boundaries with here, okay? And they're working with a friend, a mutual friend that you and them may have had together. This friend works in the medical field. I don't know why I keep repeating this, but Spirit keeps having me repeat this. They have access to medication. Medication could be of significance, Divine Collective, okay? Their plan is not working. They couldn't stop you. They can't stop what God has ordained for you, Divine Collective. I see here that you aren't investing into this situation anymore, into this person, these people anymore. Happy times are coming for you, Spirit says. Released from isolation, you did it. You made the right decision here. Congratulations, Divine Collective. This masculine really thought that they had you stuck for the rest of your life. Wow. Stop overplaying your role. Deal with people how they deal with you. Hardly, barely, and accordingly, Divine Collective, okay? Be vigilant and pay attention. Inspect your surroundings. Here's another card telling you to pay attention. Something about your surroundings, Divine Collective. If you're going out throughout the day, make sure you're paying attention to your surroundings. Inspect your surroundings. This is something that I've been intuitively saying for the past week now. You know, to my children, whoever I'm around and they leave and they go somewhere, Divine Collective, I'm like, watch your surroundings. But I'm not saying it to make them paranoid. It's just something that is intuitively, like, coming out of my mouth, Divine Collective. Watch your surroundings. Spirit is moving all third parties out of this timeline. That is what I heard. All those that have not grown up or evolved are being moved out of the picture, out of the timeline. No third parties I'm hearing in the picture. It's forbidden. It is forbidden, Divine Collective, because they don't like themselves. Felony, forgery, and fraud. The 3 F's I heard. Felony, forgery, and fraud. All you need to do is be, Divine Collective, 6:13 on the clock. Surrender, listen, and follow the feelings that guide you. Someone's been watching you here. They want to approach you with an opportunity. What's this about, Spirit? A lot of you are going out. A lot of you are getting out of the house here. I'm picking up on flirting, feeling good here, creating new patterns, behaviors, habits, Divine Collective. What's this, Spirit? Someone wanting to approach the collective with an opportunity. Someone is just trying to get you back, Divine Collective. Because of your formula, your success story, you are very talented, skilled, abundant, you are the chosen one, and someone wants you back here. You're putting out a lot of good vibes, Divine Collective, and you're getting them back. Yeah, someone is realizing that they made the wrong move. I heard on the board. Are we playing chess here? Someone is realizing that they made the wrong move here. They're sorry for trying to isolate you, Spirit says, and hiding something from you. Someone here needs to release the hold of darkness. Release the hold of darkness, okay? There's a shocking revelation here within a family that is going to help someone release the hold of darkness over their life. This is someone who has been suffering in silence that took you for granted. This person is now having a shocking revelation, 8:19 on the clock, about a family situation. And karma, the reason why they're receiving karma right now. I heard the law of creation. Life does not happen by itself. We need to make it happen. Karma, okay? You may have Hindu ancestors, Divine Collective. A lot of people here are bragging about you, are talking about how you are a knockout. Something about you being a knockout. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, Divine Collective. Someone here may be over drinking. They're very immature and childish. Spirit is saying trust in divine guidance. Love is the most powerful energy in the universe. You are highly favored by the Creator, Divine Collective. You've ended a codependent relationship. There's someone here that had more than one personality. Spirit says you will soon feel motivated, like an instant spark to create something beautiful here, Divine Collective. More money will start flowing in for you. You will be traveling soon. I'm getting a vacation in this reading. Partnership in business or romance. You've been through so much spiritual warfare, Divine Collective. Someone here is moving very slowly, coming towards you. Mad because you're not dead.